you ever go swimming in the ocean at night, internet? Doesn't that just... I don't know if you can see anything at all, actually. You probably can't, but that looks just terrifying to me. It kind of reminds me of Kingdom Hearts. It's like scary at the same time. Look at all the sand flying off of this. Alright, onward. This looks like a big black death. It's so cool. It feels like the wind's gonna like blow me over.
Eat more.
Right. I guess
Don't trip over the ledge.
Oh yeah, we were running down here and we tripped over the sludge. It's like, whoa!